Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how I created this dramatic IG inspired look. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So first I'm gonna start with the base for the eyeshadows, and I'm gonna use my favorite Overachiever concealer from Huda Beauty. I won't be setting this concealer with any powder because I want the shadows to really stick and show up on the eyelid. And for today's look, I will be using all Huda Beauty eyeshadows. And the first color I'm gonna pick up is this turquoisey green eyeshadow from the Emerald Obsessions palette. I'm first gonna apply this shade into the crease and the outer corners of my eyes to create the shape of this eye look. And then I'm gonna go in with a fluffier blending brush to blend out any harsh edges. I like to do it this way because that way we will get more color payoff and therefore the color will be more intense, which is what we want for this look. Next I'm gonna get my Neon Green Obsessions palette and I'm gonna use this neon green eyeshadow to pretty much go around the shade I just applied to blend it out even more and make it all seamless. As you can see, I'm now adding the first eyeshadow onto the lower lash line as well, and then I'm gonna blend it out with the neon green eyeshadow. Now to deepen the crease and give the look some dimension, I'm now gonna pick up this matte royal blue eyeshadow shade from the Sapphire Obsessions palette. And I'm gonna be applying this into the crease and the outer corners just like I did before, but I'm gonna keep it more concentrated and not bring it up as high as I did with the first shade. Blending is key for this kind of a look, so definitely take your time and don't rush it. Now I'm gonna use my concealer again on a smaller and more flat eyeshadow brush to carve out my crease. And for this look, I'm gonna bring it out in the outer corners into almost like a wing shape. It's kind of hard to explain, but you can see here how I am creating the shape in the video. Next we're gonna add some shimmer onto the lid. So I'm first gonna apply the Huda Beauty Melted Eyeshadow in the shade Dinero. And then I'm gonna be pressing on this metallic green eyeshadow from the Emerald Obsessions palette on top of it. And make sure that you only apply this onto the part of your eye where you just apply the concealer because you don't want to mess up the shape you just created. Here I've taken that royal blue eyeshadow again and I'm just gonna add some into the outer corners and blend it out with the first turquoisey green shade to get a nicer transition. Now I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Ultimate Eyeliner in Carbon Black to line my waterline and to tightline. For the inner corners, I'm first gonna add a little bit of that liquid shadow, and then I'm gonna top it up with this duochrome green eyeshadow from the Neon Green palette. To finish off this look, I'm now just gonna line my lash line with the Nabla Cosmetics Serial Liner, apply some mascara and lashes, and that is it for this look. I really hope you guys liked this video and I will see you guys soon with a new one. Bye!